1976 Eleganza 2 GMC Motorhome. This is a 26-inch coach. It's about 41 years old. It had a these airbags are new. These are dual airbags. It normally just had one large airbag here, and this is how this helps with the suspension as the coach is driving down the road. And when you get to the site, you can lower the coach with those. There's controls on the inside for that. Go and see. I'll show you. The inside of this is in need of great repair. This is Dan from Restore Retro Camping. What we're going to do is I'm going to take you along on the trip as we restore this coach. Complete restoration of the all the components. What we're going to do, I have some great ideas what we're going to do. We've already started actually. We repainted the liner here, and we took off the old liner. This has got an aluminum shell. As you can see here, this is all aluminum. And this is what the old liner looked like. We took the old liner out. It looked just like this stuff here, which is kind of like a cheap plastic and cardboard headliner for what they had back in the old vehicles back in the day. But what we're going to do is we took, like I said, we took everything out of here, and we are going to replace it with this tongue and groove knotty pine. We're going to do this throughout the entire coach. We just started this. Actually, this weekend we're going to finish, and I'll put you on time lapse so that you guys can see how we did it. This is the back of the coach. As we see here, we painted the back. This is like we would paint like a bedroom wall. This is like a sea foam color. My wife liked it, and my daughter also liked it, so we got it. They have a little overspray here, but that cleans up with a little bit of alcohol. So these here have some light connections for the lighting. I'm going to get some LEDs. We're going to put this. We're going to finish the wood, and there was a leak at the back seam, in the back and in the front. The entire center of the coach is made of aluminum with a thin fiberglass shell outside. Some parts, this is aluminum here, and there are some cover pieces that are fiberglass. But these are the issues right here. These seams here had caulk in them, and over the years the caulk has receded. This is what we caulked from when we did the ceiling. We re-caulked it, as you can see there. I can show you what I used for that. But I have that is what I used here is a self-leveling caulk, and what I need to get is a non-leveling caulk to finish around these windows. And I want to get a black one here to finish all of these and to do these seams. So water was getting in there from the front and the back, because those are fiberglass pieces up in the front and here in the rear of the coach. This one's here real bad as well. There needs to be some body work done. Obviously you can see here there's some damages here. Looks like it had Bondo back in the day, and the Bondo came off, obviously. So that is all going to be redone as well. But let me show you what happened. Luckily, there wasn't a whole lot to get bad. what it would do is it would leak down from the top here behind this paneling. It would leak down, and it caused that. Which this is a 1-inch thick plywood. So it made a hole there. We're going to replace this. And also, it did the same thing along this side here. And have a little bit of a hole there from the water damage. So that's what we're going to do this weekend. I'm going to put you up here, and you'll be able to see us finish out the wood. I'm going to stain this wood after we get this up completely. And I also got a I'm going to rewire the alternator light. I got a kit for that as well, and I will show you that as well. Until then, until this weekend, this is Dan from Retro Restore Camping. Alright, see ya. Bye.